Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying essentials, roster sync, admin permissions, and class settings so everything is live. Once done, create the class and choose grading rules. This ensures consistent scores and reporting. Next, add your first assignment with clear title, due date, total points, and attachments so students can access materials immediately. Make sure to assign visibility and submission type. This prevents late confusion. You'll save time later by structuring assignments and permissions correctly now. Once the class exists, plan and schedule lessons so you keep a steady pace. Attach slides, worksheets, and reading links to each session for quick access. Assign students to groups and use rubrics to clarify expectations, rubric speed grading, and improve feedback consistency. Enable auto-grade for objective question types, then add inline comments for personalized guidance. Continuously check the dashboard to spot late work or low completion rates so you can intervene early. When the unit ends, close submissions, finalize grades, and export your reports as CSV or PDF for records and parent meetings. Communicate final feedback and grade breakdown to students. Allow resubmissions only when pedagogically appropriate so fairness is maintained. If something goes wrong, students can't submit or grades don't sync. First reset roster sync, clear the app cache, and confirm permissions. If that fails, gather logs and contact IT. This quick triage resolves most problems and keeps class.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.